Hey guys, it's just me. I just wanted to do a quick video on how to make, it's Janine by the way, Janine. A quick video on how to do our bird feeder for the day, our project for the day. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a toilet paper roll, scissors, peanut butter, a knife, or you can use your fingers, string or some sort of way to hang it, a clear container, and then bird seed, can you see it? Or sunflower seeds, depending on what you feel like you want to do. All right, so first things first is that we're going to pour some of the bird seed into the bowl. My dog might make an appearance in here because she's having a really hard time watching without trying to eat it. So that part is done. I'm going to put the camera down just a little bit so you can kind of see what I'm doing. All right, so we're going to take the peanut butter, open that on up, and we're going to take our toilet paper roll. And you can also do this with honey if you want, but I think that's going to be a little bit too sticky. However, I think my dogs might try to eat this, which is fine. I'm kidding, it's not fine, but yeah. All right, so then we're just going to take the peanut butter and use our knife. I don't really want to get it all over my fingers because I think it's going to get too messy that way. And spread it on the toilet paper roll like so. My dog seems to think that this is going to be her treat. She's sitting right next to me and she's freaking out because she wants to eat it because she loves peanut butter. But so we just get down. Get down. Yes, did you see her nose in the picture or in the video? Yeah, it happens. All right, so we are almost done putting all the peanut butter on our fancy. Yes, your hands might get a little messy. If you don't like stuff on your hands, I would suggest getting a pair of gloves maybe, or having an adult help you with it. I'm not really worried about it because I'll just give it to my dog. Then when you're done with this, we just put it in here into the bird seed and roll it around. Get down. No, thank you. So then it's all covered in the bird seed. And then you can pick some up and make sure that it's all over it. Like this. My dog seems to think that this is for her, and it's not. It's for the birdies. Hold on, I gotta get this off my hand. Here, lick it. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she got it on her nose. All right, so once we're done with this, we can set that aside. I'm all covered, but that's okay. And then we take our yarn and we can cut a pretty lengthy string so that we can tie it somewhere. So then we have our string. Oh, you can't really see it. There, you see it now? There, you have your string. And then we just thread it through the toilet paper roll. Right? There, oh, there it is. Thread it through the toilet paper roll. And then we, oh, you can't see what I'm doing. You tie it off with all the goodies on it, like it has. And then you're good to go. You're all set. Oh my gosh. Stuff all over. So there you are. There is your awesome bird feeder. Took you like what, maybe 5 minutes to do. It might take you longer. You can do this with your siblings or your mom and dad or anybody that wants to help you in the house. But it's a super fun little treat for some birdies. So I hope you like it. Have a good night. Bye, guys.